Hello, assalamu alaikum, my dear friends. Welcome back into See Homemade. Today I am gonna show how to make carrot pickle at home. One kg carrots cut into slices like that. Add salt to taste and mix it well and rest it for whole night. Take a 1 garlic leaf and chop it. Take a 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds and crushed it. Add chopped leaf garlic. Add crushed mustard seeds. Add 1 tablespoon of red chilies flakes. Add 2 tablespoons of oil. Mix it well with the help of wooden spoon and don't use steel spoon or anything of steel for mixing. Add 2 glasses of water in it and mix it well. Put this mixture in an airtight container and mix it daily and preserve it for 4 days and enjoy your juicy and sour pickle. Make sure you subscribe to my channel.